Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with, yes, another unboxing. What we have for this video today is our Macys beauty box for the month of September. And for those of you that don't know about this box, this is a $15 a month subscription. And you get a lot of different items in here. It can range from makeup to skincare. This one here, you get 5 to 6 products with a bonus item, usually a perfume, and they're all deluxe size items. So you're not gonna, well, you know what though, every so often they do throw in a full size item. I like those months, but let's see what we have here. And wait a minute. So usually you get the things wrapped inside a bag, but I don't know if they changed anything. And I don't have a cosmetic bag. They usually give you like a little makeup bag, but I don't have a bag today. Everything is just wrapped in this pink tissue paper. But yeah, there's no makeup bag. I wonder if they changed that. You also get a pamphlet here with all your products over here on this side, and you get all the information and the retail value in here. Another thing that I see, and you always get a $5 off coupon in here that you can use towards a beauty purchase in store or online. But this month we have a $10 one. So you can go in store. I don't believe there's any minimum purchase price, and you can use that coupon off your purchase. So let's start with our first item and see what we have in here. So let's start with this one. We have a Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is what our packaging looks like. And I love cleansing balms because you can just get a nice little blob, you know, rub it between your hands and then just go crazy on your face. So you just, you know, rub your makeup off, and all you have to do is either go rinse it off or grab a little wash towel and wipe it all off. This is what our inside packaging looks like, and this is actually a really good size. You'll get a few uses out of this one. It almost looks like a chapstick, and that's the consistency. I actually have one of these already, and I really like it. You don't need much to get all your makeup off, so this will last you a good while. It looks like we have a lot of products in here. I'm super excited. Up next, I'll go ahead and grab this one, and it's from Stripe Vectin. It's an anti-wrinkle serum, line transforming melting serum, and it is an anti-wrinkle. Stuck in there. Oh, okay, not what I was expecting. This is the packaging from inside. Oh, okay. So I was expecting a spray. I don't know why. But this is our serum. I want to see what it looks like. Oh, this is just surprising me all the time. So this is what came out. It's just a clear gel. It feels really thick and it smells minty. Wow, okay. It almost feels like Vaseline. As you guys can see, it made my hand really shiny. I hope that sinks into your skin. And I didn't pump much in here, and it looks like a little bit would go a really long way. So I'm just gonna leave that there and see how much it'll sink in till, you know, once I'm done with the video. Okay, up next, I'm super happy and excited about this one because I think this is a really good sample size for a blush. I have received one of these little samples before, and I am actually still trying to finish it. So this is a blush. It is from Tarte, and we got it in the shade Feisty. Let me get a quick swatch. These are super smooth. They go on really nice. And I don't know, let me see. Let me get a little bit more so you guys can actually see it on camera. But it's a really nice color. This is a nice nude tone, not super pink. I actually really like this one. And like I said, these go on very, very smoothly. And these, like even this size, this is a sample size. Even this size will last you a really, really long time. Up next, we have a lip plus cheek pencil from Nude Sticks. This is what it looks like. Your typical Nude Sticks packaging. And, ooh, that's a really nice color. That is what the little tip looks like. And let me swatch it. Let me swatch it here. Oh, that's really, really pretty. Both of these would actually go really, really well. It does have like a rosy tone, but really, really nude. It's a really, really pretty color. And I have used these before. They are pretty, for a crayon, they're pretty long wearing. So I'm super excited that that one was in here. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4 more things. Okay. Up next, I'm going to get this one here, and it's from Perricone MD, and it is a high potency, or it is from the High Potency Classics, and this is the Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. So we have a little moisturizer here. Ooh, it smells like roses. It smells really, really good. It just looks like your normal white moisturizer, and it smells, I can smell this forever. It smells really, really nice. I have found that things that are either rose scented or say they have any type of rose things in it, they make me break out. So I will pass this one on to somebody that can actually use it. I will not be trying this one just because I know I don't know if it's the scent or what, but this makes me break out. So I'm just going to go ahead before I even touch it. I'm going to pass it along. And our next item here. Ooh, what is this? It just says #Macys Beauty right there. And it looks like it's a sponge with a little brush on this end. Personally, I do not like sponges that are attached to something else like this, just because I think it would make it a lot harder to wash them. Or I think that eventually after some time, they're gonna start coming apart from here. I'm not sure. But so we have a little sponge on this side, and on this side we have a little brush that's actually really, really soft. I don't have anything else on the packaging other than the #Macys Beauty. So I'll see on the little pamphlet what it says about this one. And after that product there, we are now left with our 2 different scents. They have been doing that a lot lately. They give us 2 different scents, one for men and one for women. And that's exactly what we have here. So what we have for the women, it is from Azaro, and it is the Wanted Girl. And let me see what this one smells like. Ooh, I really like this scent. I was expecting this to be more like a vanilla kind of scent, but this is actually, it's more like on the floral side. I really, really like this one. Let me see, do we have any notes in here? It just says that it is a floral gourmand and oriental perfume. So I'm really liking this scent. This one's really, really good. Let's see what the one for men smells like. And it looks like it's the same brand, Azaro, and it is Wanted. So that is what the outside looks like. And in here, they always put a picture of what the actual bottle will look like. So that is the one for men. And let me show you really quick the one for women. It's that one there. So if you were to go and purchase a full size, that's what the bottles would look like. So let's see what this one for men would smell like. Let's do it on here. Ooh, I actually really like this one too. Ooh, it's really, really good. I can't describe, let me see, does it say on here? This one says it is woodsy, it is fresh and spicy. So I really, really like this one for men. Okay, so those are all of our items. Let's see what our full-size prices would be if we were to go in store and purchase some of these. So we'll start with the first one, our Straight Vectin Anti-Wrinkle Recoat Serum. Retail, oh my god. If you were to buy the full size for this one here, it would be $89. If you were to go and get a full size of the Pericone MD High Potency Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer, you would be looking at $69. Next, we have our Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Full size for this one would be $30. Then up next, we have our Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush and Expose. Sorry, I didn't even tell you wait, no. It says exposed here, but it says feisty here. So we got our we got our color in feisty, and the full size for this one is $29. Up next, we have our Nude Stick Intense Matte Pencil. Full size for this one is $27. And honestly, if this is not a full size, I think this is a really good size sample, because this is like a pencil that you can sharpen. So this whole thing has color in it. So I think that's a really good size. And then if you were to go buy a full size of, where to go? The Azzaro Wanted Girl, a 2.7 ounce bottle will cost you $105. And if you wanted to buy the scent for men, a 3.4 ounce bottle will cost you $89. I don't understand why things for men are always cheaper than women. Just saying. Then this one here, so it just says created for Macys 2-in-1 blender and brush. So this one, I guess this one was just a bonus. There's no like retail value, or there's no retail price here. So what I'm thinking is that they threw this one in place of a cosmetic bag, which is not bad, because I actually have a lot of those bags and they're kind of just sitting there. If I don't give them away, they just pretty much sit in a bin. And I rather have something like this. Like for this one, I know I can use the brush. This one, not so much, but I know I can get use of this one here. Those were all the items for our Macys Beauty Box for the month of September. Let me know what you guys think down below. I know actually, I don't think there's variations of this box. Just let me know what you guys think of the products down below. That is all for me for today, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.